As one who appreciates the arts, I think it's important for us all to have some sort of connection with that historic art form that is commonly known as music. Well, what does that mean for you and I? In today's culture, that means you have to sift through the multitudes of bands and genres and all this stuff that is just thrown at you. There's this pop music, which is just boom. And then there's that rap music, which is sometimes okay. And then there's like everything else, and you just have to compile it all together and wrap your head around it to come up with what your own tastes are. And eventually, one comes to realize that they have one band in which they consider to be their favorite. What does that mean for me? You may be saying, hey look, Chris has an Of Montreal poster right about there. Does that mean it's his favorite band? Not necessarily, because if you look over there, I've got this poster. What did that say? It said the Cat Empire. That's right, the Cat Empire. The Cat Empire is a band that's very difficult to classify in any sort of genre. It's a mix of jazz, funk, ska, rock, rap. It's just classified as good music, really. It's got heavy jazz and Latin influences, as well as what you might call gypsy. That's right, gypsy. They're rather eclectic. And where does this band reside? They reside in Melbourne, Australia. Do I look like I'm Australian? Do I sound like I'm Australian? Does my vocal cords somehow emit that "I mate" tone of voice? No, it doesn't. I live in the United States. And you know what? It's quite hard to get any Cat Empire stuff. Now, they just recently published their new album. It's a live album. It's a double disc album. It's 22 songs of live awesomeness. I have not yet caught them to see them live. I'm working on that. In the meantime, I just have to pay extensive shipping rates to get Australian gear sent over here, where I disseminate it across my various social circles. Let me tell you, it's hard to classify what your favorite band is. I know, you probably know, because you've probably been asked this question before. It's one of those stupid things that people ask you to learn more about yourself. But here's the way that I've decided that the Cat Empire is my favorite band in the whole wide world is that I like every single damn one of their songs. How many times have you listened to a band and said, I like that song, and 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 that song? And this is extremely odd considering the fact that they have so many different themes and sounds and all this crazy stuff. It's quite amazing. So I invite you to check them out. I'm obviously quite biased on that effect, but yeah, check them out. They have a website. I'll put that this way. And one of the guys in the band, he twitters, and there's all this other great stuff. Yeah. I'm actually quite proud of this. I pre-ordered my edition of Live on Earth, which is their live album. Um, and they signed it for me. My favorite band for the last 2 years signed the back of their Live on Earth CD insert. Thank you guys, that means a lot to me. Just to know that your hands rushed across this piece of paper here. It's almost as good as listening to your music. Actually, that's not true. Your music listening is much better, but it's very cool to have this, I have to say.